Hi, my name is Floyd Caldwell. I recently opened a YouTube channel, and the purpose of it is to share some knowledge that I have that I believe would be beneficial for everybody in this day. I'm specifically going to make a video aimed at the youth of this day, and I'm not going to, it's not me, he's not going to hold anything back. I have no idea what I'm going to release for the youth, but I am going to release it because the youth of today need to hear some truth to assist them in what they are being indoctrinated in this world. So the YouTube channel is SRS Spiritual Revelation Series, and from there you can get into the videos that are on there. And I welcome all comments. And I hope that you do look into the channel, make decision for yourself. And with that, God bless, and I hope you do. Bye-bye.